if you have got a massive patch of stinging nettles that keeps taking over, you need to stop chopping the leaves and start attacking the root zone instead. Stir 4 tablespoons of Epsom salts, 2 cups of fresh liquid whey from a yogurt tub, and 1 tablespoon of pure almond extract into a gallon of water. The secret to making this work is the almond extract. This specific ingredient essentially tells the nettles to eat it all up at once, forcing them to gorge on the mixture and overdose on the mineral spike, instead of calmly absorbing it over time like a prize tomato plant would. Just dump this fluid directly over the dirt right at the base of the nettle stems to soak the roots. Your lawn and your regular garden veggies are completely safe from this, because their advanced root systems are way too steady to react to this kind of sudden trick. It strictly impacts these hyper-aggressive, opportunistic weeds. Just make sure you avoid a specific variety called the purple nettle, because this trick will not touch them. You can identify them by looking for a very obvious purple shimmer on the foliage when the sun shines directly on them. The soak fails on this strain because these specific plants tap directly into other plants' roots and act more like a parasite than feeding from the soil. For your standard stinging nettles, drench the ground on a sunny morning and the entire patch will deflate and turn crisp within 48 hours.